Hello everyone. In this class we are going to learn about academic writing. Let us learn deeply. The writing process. Part 1. Background to writing. Chapter 1. Most academic courses assess students through written assignments. This includes coursework which may take weeks to write, and exam answers which often have to be written in an hour or less. This unit deals with the names of different writing tasks, the format of long and short writing tasks, the use of sentences and paragraphs, the purpose of academic writing. Writers should be clear why they are writing. The most common reasons for writing include to report on a piece of research the writer has conducted, answer a question the writer has been given or chosen, to discuss a subject of common interest and give the writer's view, to synthesize research done by others on a topic. Can you suggest any other reason? In all cases, it is useful to bear in mind the likely readers of your work. How can you explain your ideas to them effectively, although there is no fixed standard of academic writing? It is clearly different from the written style of newspaper or novels. Similarly, it is generally agreed that academic writing attempts to be accurate or objective. What are its other features? Working alone or in a group. List your ideas below. Impersonal style. Common types of academic writing. Below are the most common types of written work produced by students. Match the term on the left to the definition on the right. Notes. A written record of the main points of the text or lecture for the student's personal use. Report. A piece of research, either individual or a group work with a topic chosen by the students. Projects. The longest pieces of writing normally done by students, 2000 word plus, often higher degree or topic chosen by the student. Essay. A general term of any academic essay, report, presentation or article. Dissertation, the most common type of written work within the title given by the teacher, normally 1000 or 500 words. Paper, a description of something a student has done. Example, conduct you in a survey. The format of long and short writing task. Short essay include exam answers, generally have this pattern: introduction, main body, conclusion. Longer essay may include introduction, main body, literature review, case study, discussion, conclusion, references, appendices. See units 4.3 reports, case studies and literature reviews, and 4.5 writing longer essays. Dissertation and journal articles may have abstract, list of contacts, list of tables, introduction, main body, literature review, case study, finding, discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, references, appendices. Find the words in the list above that match the following definitions. A short summary of 1200 words which explains the paper purpose and main findings. A list of all sources the writer has mentioned in the text. A section at the end where additional information is included. A short section where people who have helped the writer are thanked. part of the main body in which the writer discusses relevant research, a section where one particular example is described in detail. The features of academic writing. There is a considerable variation in the format of academic writing required by different schools and departments. Your teachers may give you guidelines, or you should ask them what they want, but some general features apply to most formats. Read the text below and identify the feature underlined. Sentence, heading, subtitle, paragraph, title, phrase. A fishy story. B. A misleading health claims according to omega-3 fatty acids. See introduction. There has been considerable discussion recently about the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids in the diet. It is claimed that these reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and may even combat obesity. Consequently, food producers have added omega-3 products ranging from margarine to soft drinks in an attempt to make their products appear healthier and hence increase sales. However, consumers may be unaware that there are two types of omega-3s. The best long-chain fatty acids are derived from fish, but other short-chain fatty acids come from cheaper sources such as soya. This latter group have not been shown to produce the healthy benefits linked to the long-chain variety. According to Dharma, etc., 2009, positive result may only be obtained either by eating oily fish 3 times a week or by taking daily supplementary contents of 500 mg of eicosapentaenoic acid or DHA. Some other common text features: reference to sources using citation. According to Tamura at 2009, the use of abbreviation to save space. Acid THA. Italics used to show words from other languages. Brackets used to give subsidiary information or a clarifying point, but others, short chain fatty acids, come from the cheaper sources such as soya. Simple and complex sentences. Annual vehicle production 2009 to 5 to 9. All sentences contains verb. In 2005, the company produced over 1,35,000 vehicles. Between 2005 and 6, vehicle production increased by 20%. Simple sentences are easier to write and read, but complex sentences are also needed in academic writing. However, students should make clarity a priority and avoiding writing very complex sentences until they feel confident in their ability. Complex sentences contains conjunction, relative pronouns, and punctuations, which links the clauses. In 2005, the company produced more than 1 lakh vehicles, but between 2005 to 6, production increased by 20%. Over 1.5 lakhs vehicles were produced in 2007. By 2009, this has fallen to 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh. Write two simple and two complex sentences using data from the table above. You have to make by your own sentences by giving above data. Writing in paragraphs. Discuss the following questions. What is the paragraph? What are texts divided into paragraphs? How long are paragraphs? Do paragraphs have a standard structure? Read the text below and divide it into suitable number of paragraphs. Biochar. Coral is produced by burning wood slowly in a low oxygen environment. This material, which is mainly carbon, was used for many years to heat iron ore to extract the metal. But when Abraham Darby discovered a smelting process using coke producing from coal in 1709, demanded for collapsed. At approximately the same time, the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere began to rise. But new use of coral, renamed biochar, has recently emerged. It is claimed that using biochar made from various types of plants can be both improve soil quality and combat global warming. Various environment in the United States have shown that adding burnt crop waste to soil increases fertility and cut the loss of vital nutrition such as nutrients. The other benefits of biochar is its ability to lock carbon dioxide into the soil. The process of decay normally allows the carbon dioxide in the plants to return to the atmosphere rapidly. But when transformed into charcoal, this may be delayed for hundreds of years. In addition, soil containing biochar appears to release less methane, a gas which contributes significantly to global warming. American researchers claim that widespread use of biochar could reduce global carbon dioxide emission by over 10%. But other agriculture scientists are concerned about the environmental effects of growing crops, especially of burning, and about the displacement of food crops that might be caused. However, the potential benefits of greater farm yields and reduced greenhouse gases mean that the further research in the area is urgently needed. Reading. Finding suitable sources. Students often underestimate the importance of effective reading, but on any course it is vital to be able to locate the most relevant and suitable sources. This unit examines the most appropriate test types for academic work, explores ways of locating relevant material in literature, explains the use of electronic resources. Academic test. You need to read a variety of text types for your course, so it is important to identify suitable types and recognize their features. This will help you to assess their value. You are studying tourism marketing. Read the text extract below and decide which are the most suitable for academic use. Text suitability. Yes, it summarizes some relevant research and includes citations. Two types of text. The table below lists the most common written sources used by students. Work with partner to consider their likely advantages and disadvantages. Test type. Written for students. Advantages. Disadvantages may be too general. You have to write for website, journal article, official report, newspaper or magazine article, and e-book. Then using reading list. Your teacher may give you a printed reading list, or it may be available online through the library website. The list will be usually include textbook, journals, article and website. If list is electronic, there will be links to the library catalog to let you check on the availability of the material. If the list is printed, you will have to use the library catalog to find the text. You do not have to read every word of book because it is on the list. Your teacher will probably suggest which pages to read and also tell you which parts of the most important. On reading list, you will be find the following formats. Using library catalogs. University and college libraries usually have online catalogs. These allow students to search for the material they want in various ways. If the title and the author's name are known, it is easy to check if the book is available. But if you are making search for material on a specific topic, you may have to vary the search terms. For instance, if you have been giving an easy title, is there a practical limit on the height of the tall building? Illustrate your answer with reference to some recent skyscrapers. Design, construction, tall of building, construction of tall building. If you use a very specific phrase, you will probably only find a few titles. Skyscrapers construction, for example, only produced 3 items in one library database, but a more general term such as skyscrapers You have entered the term skyscrapers in the library catalog search engine, and these are the first 8 results. In order to answer the essay title above, which you would like to select, borrow, or give your reason. Title: Skyscraper, the Politics and the Power of Building New York City in the 20th Century. Benjamin Flower, Main Library. Location: Holding Availability. So look at the table closely for the writing process. Location: Many large universities have more than one library. This tells you which one the book is kept in. Holding: if you click on availability, it will tell you how many copies the library holds and if they are available to borrow on it to loan. Using library websites to search electronic resources. E-journals and other electronic resources such as subject database are becoming increasingly important. Their advantages: they can be accessed by computer, saving the need to visit the library and find a text. Most library websites have a separate portal or a gateway for searching electronic resources. This allows you to enter the name of a specific journal or look for possible journals in your subject area by entering a term such as international business law. In case of database, made of or following: European Business Law Review Organization, Trade Business, Americans.